Androgenetic alopecia is kind of one of the rare diseases where we as men can't physically do anything to change that. It's inherent, it's genetic. And what I mean by that, to kind of give a metaphor, is if you look at like weight loss and stuff, we can do both medication, but there's something else we can do physically to alter weight gain or weight loss, which is we can exercise, we can eat right, and we can move, and we can lose weight, we can get in shape. We can alter the way we look through the things that we can physically control, be it in our diet or our exercise. But with hair loss, it's sad because there's nothing that we can physically do as men to alter that. Yes, you can eat healthy, you can exercise, you can do everything you want, but if you suffer from androgenetic alopecia or DHT sensitivity, specifically at the scalp, there's nothing you can do to change that other than advancements in medicine, which is the greatest thing that we have in this world, is advancements in medicine, advancements in biomechanical engineering. And I'll try to categorize this. This might be a little bit of a long video, but we can take medication, incredible medication, which I offer Dutasteride through my company, which is the most effective medication you can use for hair loss. So there is something you can do outside of the realm of what you can't physically do to help your hair grow. And I'm undergoing a 3-level lumbar artificial disc replacement. So let me try and pull this together here. It's really tough. But the discs in my low back, I'm very healthy. I take care of myself. I consider myself to be in really great shape at 44 years old. You can ask the guys I work out with. You can ask everyone at my gym. Shout out to Kinetic. I love everyone over there. But when your discs fail in your back, there's no amount of PT. There's no amount of pain meds. And there's no amount of special healing things that will help the disc to regrow. Stem cells don't work. They just don't. Unfortunately, I've done everything I can. So now with advancements in medicine, I'll be undergoing a 3-level artificial disc replacement with these incredible discs from Centennial Spine. And I have an incredible surgeon, Dr. Grant Shiflett, and an incredible team at Disc Sport and Spine. So we have to look at it as I'm not going to be living in pain anymore, and my biomechanics will get better because of the advancements in both medicine, engineering, and surgery, right? So I want you guys to think in the realm of that is your life gets better with advancements that some things we don't have control. We don't have control over hair loss that's genetic. We don't have control of the surgery, unless you're a surgeon, but we do have control of making the decisions that will better our lives. And sometimes taking care of your hair just betters your life in all aspects. And I post a lot of stories about that making your hair grow, getting your hair back, getting transplantation can make your life better because it reduces your symptoms of anxiety, and embarrassment. For me, one of the biggest things I've struggled with over the last 10 years is back pain and herniated disc surgery. But I'm taking the advancements in medicine to help heal that. So I want you guys to think of hair loss like that. We have incredible advancements in medicine in what we can do to alter our physiology to help stop hair loss and to mitigate hair loss with 2 things, medicine and surgery, okay? So think of it like that instead of thinking of it like things are out of your control. They are a little bit, but you have a choice to the route you want to take in how you want to alter the way you look and you feel.